Hetzner Review 2025. Is it the right hosting provider for you? Choosing a hosting provider can feel overwhelming, but Hetzner promises performance at a low cost. Let's see if it's right for you. In 2025, Hetzner is a German-based hosting provider known for affordable dedicated servers, cloud instances, and storage solutions. Most people get this wrong. They think cheap means low quality, but Hetzner consistently delivers reliable uptime and impressive speeds, especially in Europe. One standout feature is flexibility. You can choose from dedicated servers, cloud virtual machines, or storage boxes depending on your needs. You won't believe what happens next. Hetzner also offers automated snapshots and backups, ensuring your data is safe even if something goes wrong. Performance is impressive for the price. Hetzner's servers use modern CIS and storage, making them ideal for web hosting, gaming servers, or enterprise apps. However, support is primarily ticket-based, so businesses needing live support may find response time slower compared to larger providers. Pricing is transparent. You pay only for what you use, and Hetzner's plans are significantly cheaper than Oz, Google Cloud, or Azure, without sacrificing key features like IP, private networking, and firewall options. So, is Hetzner the right hosting provider? For developers, startups, and small to mid-size businesses that prioritize performance and affordability, yes. For those who need extensive global support or guaranteed round-the-clock customer service, larger providers may still be better. The surprising truth is that low-cost hosting doesn't always mean compromises. Hetzner proves you can get enterprise-level performance at a fraction of the price.